Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. Today I wanted to sit down and do a tutorial on how to do a layered wing. Before we get into the tutorial though, please remember to subscribe to this channel. It'd really mean a lot to me. I post new videos every week and we would love to have you join our little family for your winged liner and having one color in the back and then the darker in the front, or however you want to do it. For this video, I'm going to be using a blue liquid liner and then a black one. And I do have multiple black liquid liners. It's always a lot easier for me to go in between the two black liners because they can dry out. So yeah, I'll be switching between two black eyeliners. I'm going to start off with the blue liner. I do have a video on how I do my winged liner if you want to click on that, but just like with everything else I do, just start off little by little and keep adding it on. I'm no way a pro and I can't do the like one swipe thing. So, slow and steady wins the race, you guys. I don't even think you can tell that's blue. That's pretty dark. Alright, I'm actually going to go in with, what's it called? Face paint, water activated ink, or I don't know what to call it. But this is Sketch Paint by Claro Psyche. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. I'm actually thinking it would be better to go in with the black first and then go in with the color. Let's see how this goes. If it turns out bad, I'll try again on the other side. I am going to put a little bit more black where the blue is, just to make the line a little bit more clean. Slow and steady wins the race. Alright you guys, here's the finished look. It is a very simple way to elevate your winged eyeliner game, you know. I think it's really cute. I don't think you can tell unless like this, but that's why I chose the blue, because blue is just a very pretty color. Adds that nice pop, like I said, makes you look like you put in a lot of effort. That's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.